Alright, this video will show you how to set up a simple sales funnel with using the Clickfunnels platform. So let's dive in and let's get started. When you sign in, this is what it's going to look like. And we're going to go to Funnels and Build Funnel. Now, this is the new updated look for Clickfunnels. Late 2017, they set it up like this. Now they have all of these templates, right? So if you want to do a homepage funnel, kind of look like a home page on a regular website. Then there's that survey funnel, bridge funnel. You might be familiar with this. You might not. Lead magnet funnel. Webinar, there's all sorts of things that you can click here and it will kind of optimize to what you want to do. But the thing that I like to do is just go to the classic funnel builder, and what we want to do is collect emails, right? Because that is huge part in the funnel process, right? So, but it is cool because you can sell your products or host a webinar. But for right now, to keep things simple, we're just going to collect emails. So alright, so we're going to name this Simple Funnel Example. We'll just add something here, Simple Funnel. Okay, now let's click Build Funnel, see what happens. Okay, so it worked. So then it takes us to some other templates that we can use. One that I really like is this one. It's just kind of clean and nice. Let's see if there's some others we might want to use. So these template funnels have been proven to convert. So there's certain reasons why there's red on this funnel, and certain buttons where they're at and where they're positioned and all that stuff, right? So there is a good reason to kind of just stick with what there already is. But you can make it your own, obviously, and you can do A/B testing. You can do one that ClickFunnels already has, and you can do your look, right, and see which one converts over time. And there's some really neat things to do with that. But let's just choose this simple one right here. It's one I really like. Let's go here to edit. So this is how ClickFunnels works. Super basic. Let's say you are a car detailing service and you want to capture their email so you can send them emails of deals upcoming and they can get to know you, that kind of thing. So what would be enticing? Something like 100% free tips on, let's see, 100% free car detailing tips. Okay, you can do write up something like this. 100 free professional car detailing tips. See how I generate $1,000 a day detailing cars, right? Something super simple. Enter your full name. You can go in here and change this to just do full name, but then you can enter this and just do full name. Then this one you can change into email address. You can also go in here and change the colors, change the theme. See if I can do something like that, which I don't want to do, so I'm going to go back and do default. I put it to the left and not to the center. So you can go back in here, go to themes, advanced, do text aligns, center, like that. Boom. Now this is the button, right? You're going to put 100% free detailing, professional car detailing tips. See how I generate $1,000 a day detailing cars. download the free report now. I actually really like that. Let's do an exclamation point. Okay, I think I'm just going to leave it like that. You know, honestly, the more simple, the better. You get it out, get it up there. You can spend so much time creating this wonderful looking thing, but really when it comes down to it, is if someone really is interested in car detailing, and they're struggling, they want to know how to earn $1,000 a day detailing cars. Now, if they can receive that report by just adding their name and email address, then they'll be signing up all the time, right? There's no, well, why would they not, right? They want to receive the report. It's free. So that's how to set that up. Now let's save. Go in here. Now, it would be a good idea to set these up, these titles, description, keywords, authors. See if you put in here Scott Anderson, it shows up on the bottom right here of how things will show up. Car detailing guru. Something like this, right? Okay, so that looks good to me. We're going to go ahead and save that with those settings. Let's go back and see what happens. So you got your one page here, right? So this left side is kind of your control of your funnel. So you got your first page here, your second page is your thank you. I didn't. Okay, thanks. Here's the report. You can do that right there. So select template. This looks like it has a different background, but that's a good thing because I can show you guys how to set up that background. Okay, so however you're going to drive traffic, wherever that source is, they're going to be landing on this page right here. 100% free professional car detailing tips. Sign up here, right? Then the next page is going to be, thank you. Here is the report. Download now. So I'll make it very, very simple. Let's go to edit page here. And let's change the background to be the same so that way it's consistent. We can go into settings, background. Here we go. Background. This one right here. Add image. Okay. So now we've got the same report going on. Let's see. Thanks. Here is the report. Below you can download the free report. How to make $1,000 detailing cars. Brand down here to car detailing guru, right? Okay. It's easy as that, guys. Guys, this is a simple to-do right here. Made this within 5 minutes or less. Guys, it is that easy. These are proven templates that will get conversions. So you got to believe in it, and you got to get it up and going and start testing it right away. It does not need to look perfect. If you if you have a product, if you have a service that you know that people are really interested in, let's take for example this example. You know, if there is a car detailer out there right now, they're having a hard time making $200 or $300 a day, then they're going to be interested in this, right? Because they are in that space already. They want to be making $1,000 a day. So, boom, they're going to sign right up for this. Here, preview. Oh, I just was on Instagram and I came across this thing. See, my name is Scott. That's my email. Download the free report. Thanks. Here is the report. Did you see that little animation? Very simple. The website works fast, it's easy, it optimizes for mobile. That is the end of the video showing you how to set up a simple sales funnel using ClickFunnels proven templates. You can create these funnels within 5 minutes. It's very simple. Now just take action and do this very thing and start testing it. Don't get overwhelmed with how it has to look. Just get on it and move on. Okay? Thank you for watching. Now guys, if you are interested in ClickFunnels and online marketing and how to make money and would like to learn more, please subscribe to my channel because more content will be coming. Please tap that bell icon to be notified. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Have an awesome day.